Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So can you beat this maths challenge? Many people think that the answer is 5 because they cancel out the 5 with 5 and 5 divided 1 as 5. It is a wrong answer and wrong approach. Yes, you heard it right. As per BODMAS rule, B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We know that multiplication and division both have same priority. But what people forget that we have to always solve from left to right. So it's 5 divided 1 by 5. So there are two different things, 5 divided 1 by 5 and 5 multiply 1 by 5. In this case, you can cancel out and the answer is 1. But in this case, it becomes 5 multiply 5 by 1, which is 25. So this part is 25 and what is left times 5, that is 125. So what is the correct answer? 125, not 5. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.